Let me show you how to back up your BeReal data. If you want to download all of your data or all of your posts inside of BeReal, there are two things that you can do. Either you can head over to your profile section, tap open a singular post, tap on the three dotted line on the top right, and here you will have the option called download. Either you can download posts like this in an individual way, or if you want to download all of your data all at once, what you can do is head over to the settings on the top right and then head over to help. Inside of help, head over to contact us and then tap on report a problem. Tap on troubleshooting and then tap on memories. Inside of the memories option, you can tap on contact us and here you can select a particular topic. If you see, the third last option is the option called I'd like to request a copy of my data. You can just tap on this option, describe your problem right here. You can add in a reason of downloading your data, and if you want you can also add in attachments. Once you do that, you can tap on send, and within a business day you'll get an email on the respective email address that is connected with your BeReal account, and you'll be able to view all of your data that is available. So this is the way that you can download and back up all of your data inside of BeReal. If this guide video was helpful, do let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.